Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to save a document in Google Docs. This is very simple, just follow my steps. Now, in order to save your document, you have to understand that your document is already saved. So when you go right here at this cloud, you can see document status. And as you can see, all changes saved to Drive. So this document is actually saving to Drive. Everything you type is automatically saved. If you want to save it to your computer, just click on File and then go right here on Download, right here, and choose however you want to download it. You can download it as a Microsoft Word document, Open document, rich text format, PDF, plain text, just whatever. I would recommend to download it as Microsoft Word document or PDF. So choose whichever you want, and now choose where you want to download it and name your document. And then simply press save. Now your document is saved. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.